Hi, my name is Mia and I'm going to be showing you how to do a bubble braid.
To start off, we're just going to brush our hair to eliminate any and all tangles to ensure that our hair is smooth and ready to be styled. Next, we're going to just tie our hair into a ponytail where we will want to begin our bubble braids. I am currently using a small tele-tie to secure my ponytail. Now we are going to grab a lightweight hairspray and use it to secure any baby hairs or flyaways. This step will help ensure our ponytail is as sleek and as smooth as possible. To create our first bubble, we're going to use another small tele-tie to secure another section of our ponytail a few inches below the first hair tie, and then we're going to tease the section in between the hair ties to create a bubble. Now we are going to repeat these steps and continue to add hair ties until we've reached the end of our ponytail, making sure to tease the sections in between to create our bubbles. I'm now switching to a tiny tele-tie to secure the finer parts of my hair in my last bubble. Once you've completed these steps, you should have a bubble braid.